I came along to the Mercedes-Benz headquarters in Brisbane for the launch of the Smart #1 and Smart #3. We have a good introduction to them and drive them to Byron Bay for the launch of the new Smart #5. Let's see how I got on with the Smart #1. The #1 is a fully electric small city SUV. Designed with the Mercedes-Benz design team, this is a funky looking premium EV. Designed with their design principles of love, pure and unexpected, there are some surprising little details throughout the car as I look around it. The flush door handles are branded as you pop them out, it's very cute. And to open the boot, you press the centre of the A. It did take me a little while to work it out. And there is a lovely little graphic on the windows. These are just some of the little details I loved finding throughout the car as I was exploring it, and I'm sure if you own it you find even more. The interior is beautifully designed with a large central media screen that is the heart of the car and controls everything from turning the child lock on to the cheeky Fox avatar you can befriend and use for voice controls. Your kids will love it. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can access your phone and apps, etc. while driving too. The Smart #1 comes in 3 variants, starting at $54,900 for the Pro Plus, $58,900 for the Premium, and both feel premium really, and $67,900 for the top spec Brabus, which has been given the Brabus treatment. So it has the Brabus branding, seats, colours, design and performance. The #1 has a battery range ranging from around 400 to 440 kilometres, which is a good amount for a weekly family usage, I think, doing school drop-offs, commutes, shops, etc. As a family car, the #1 is surprisingly spacious inside. The rear seats are split 60-40 and can slide back and forth to distribute legroom and boot space as you need it. There are Isofix in the 2 outer rear seats. They are within plastic guides and easy to connect to, and there are top tether anchorages on the back of all 3 rear seats. They're not within plastic guides, but I found them nice and easy to connect to through the boot. Now, I only brought one child seat down with me to try in the Smart #1 today, and it was lovely and easy to fit. There is definitely room for a second child seat, and I look forward to testing it with the different child seats I have and seeing if a third will fit when I test it with my family. The flat rear footwell will give great access and legroom for rear passengers, and the headroom is excellent in here too. And the doorways of the #1 are nice and large, and they also open really wide too, which is good for access. There's an aircon vent in the back for rear passengers, so you can keep little ones comfortable while driving, and the large glass roof has 99% UV protection, which is great news. Round in the boot, there is plenty of underfloor storage. You lift it up here, which is great for popping the kids' dirty beach gear or footballs in. I have the Taller Spring one-handed folding stroller with me today. That fits really nicely in the boot, with room around it for shopping, etc. I look forward to testing the taller range of prams in the boot when I test the #1 with my family soon. Driving the Smart #1, it has really fast acceleration, so you're confident to pull out in junctions and when changing lanes in traffic. The ride is quiet and you have a lovely, quiet drive cocooned from a lot of the outside road noise. The large windows give great visibility and the ride is smooth and very enjoyable. The turning circle is very good, making it easy to park and manoeuvre, and the cameras are excellent, which helps too. I have loved driving the Smart #1 today, and I look forward to having it for longer test with my family and putting it through our full baby drive testing with more child seats and the taller pram range. To learn more about the Smart #3 and #5, just click on the links here.